Hello everyone, as we can see that we have different types of math questions in front of us. We have the order of operation, we have the system of equations, we have square roots, we have fractions. Okay? Instead of showing you guys how to do this question step by step, I would like to show you guys how to use the scientific calculator, how to enter all these expressions onto the calculator and have the calculator check the answer for you, not to do the question for you. On the test, on the homework, you still need to know the correct order of operation, you still need to know the correct procedure to solve the system of equations. But I will show you guys a calculator that will do this kind of calculations in one steps so that you can check your answer, so that you can check with your answer. Okay? I would like to first start off with fractions, mixed numbers and decimals, and percentage. And the calculator I recommend is this one. It's by Casio, and the model number is FX115ES. And there's also a plus version nowadays. You can get these kind of calculators at Walmart, Staples, maybe Amazon.com or Office Depot for under $20. If it's over $20, don't buy it. And what I like about this calculator is that it does a lot of things for you, and it also has the natural display feature. Okay, and I'll run through I'll run through all the calculations that I have found, and I think those are the common things that you will have to learn in the math class. You can also download the file in the description that contains all the questions that I want to go over, so that way you can also practice. So let me turn on the calculator, and first question, we need to reduce 12 over 32. So if you are doing your homework, you are still expected to know how to reduce this fraction, because 4 goes into 12 3 times, 4 goes into 32 8 times, so the answer is 3 over 8. Okay, since that you are still expected to know how to do it. But once you turn on this calculator, let's see, this has the fraction key right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is hit the fraction key, and then I'm going to enter 12 on the top. That's the numerator. So hit the 12 on the top, and then as we can see that now this the line is on the top, right? We finish entering 12 on the numerator. Now we need to get down to the denominator. We can do that by using these keys, the up, left, down, right key. We need to move down, so press this. Then once the line is on the denominator, we can just put 32 and hit equal. And we get our answer is 3 over 8, as I said earlier. Okay, so this is equal to 3 over 8. And maybe sometimes that when you are doing fractions, you want to change your fraction into a decimal, right? So 12 over 32, I want to get a decimal. Let me redo this again. If I just hit the fraction key right here, I need the 12 on the top, and then I need to move down so that I can put 32 on the bottom. If I just hit equal, this calculator is programmed so that it will always give you a fraction first. But in this case, we are interested to have a decimal. So in that case, what we're going to do is press this button, the S to D button. I'm not sure what does the S stands for, but D should be decimal. Okay. Anyways, just press this S to D button. Then we get our answer 0.375. So this is 0.375. Okay. So again, in this series of videos, I will just show you how to use this calculator to do these questions. And if you are wondering how to do any of this calculation by hand, just leave a comment and let me know. Okay, next one, it's question 2. Convert the decimal 0.28 into a fraction. So what we're going to do is just press 0.28 and hit equal. That's what we get. As I mentioned earlier, this calculator is always going to give you a fraction first. So once you enter 0.28, the decimal 0.28, the calculator will convert this decimal into a fraction for you, and which you get 7 over 25. Okay, so 7 over 25. That's it. Next one, let's continue with fractions. Now this one is improper fraction. because the top is bigger than the bottom. I want to change this to a decimal. So same business, press the fraction key right here, box over box. The top box, you put 39. 39. Go down, hit the 7. Hit equal. It's going to return you a fraction first. I want decimal, so you press the S to D key, and you get this decimal. So usually you can just use 3 decimal place, 5.571. Okay, 5.571. So that's about 39 over 7 is about 5.571. Okay, and then part B says that I want to convert 39 over 7 into a mixed number. And how do we do that? And let me show you right here. If you take a look, if you take a close look, I have the A, B, C key above the S to D key, and it's in orange. This is the mixed number key. So if you press this key, then it will convert this decimal into a mixed number for you. But it's in orange, so we are going to hit the shift first. So once you hit the shift, okay, and then just press the S to D, then we get 5 and 4 over 7. So as a mixed number, you get 5 and 4 over 7. Pretty cool, huh? So it does fractions, decimals, mixed numbers, and proper fractions all together. If you want to change this mixed number to an improper fraction, just press Shift and the same S to D key again. You get back to the improper fraction. If you don't press the Shift, you get decimal. If you press the Shift first and then press the S to D, you get mixed number. Okay? So that's how you make the conversion. Now let's see how to do the computation with fractions. I have the first one. Let me erase this first. I have the first fraction, 5 over 12, plus the mixed number, 3 and 1 over 8. So, first fraction, I need to press the fraction key right here. And on the top, I need a 5. Go down, I need a 12. Okay. And now notice the line is still on the bottom. I'm done with the denominator 12. I need to kick it to the side now. So press the right to bring that up. Then I need a plus sign right here. So plus. And I need to enter a mixed number 3 and 1 over 8. And you don't do this. You don't just press 3 fraction. It actually doesn't let you press. Okay? You can just do 3 and fraction key right here. What you need to do is on the same fraction key, you see a box in front of the box over box. That's the mixed number key. It's in orange, so you have to press the Shift first. Okay, so you have to hit the Shift first and the fraction key, the mixed number key technically. And this will allow you to enter the whole number part, which is 3. Press to the right so that the line is on the top now. I need the 1 on the top. I need to go down. I need an 8 on the bottom. And this is exactly what we see on the paper, isn't it? 5 over 12 plus 3 and 1 over 8. That's why it's called the neutral display. Okay, equal. We get 85 over 24. 85 over 24. And don't worry, the calculator will always try to reduce the fraction for you to the simplest form. But first we get 85 over 24. It's an improper fraction because the top is bigger than the bottom, right? So to get a mixed number, if sometimes the question wants you to do it in a mixed number, then you press Shift and then S to D key. We get 3 and 13 over 24. Just depends on the direction to see which one that they are looking for. But they should both be the same. Well, they are both the same, but they should both be the correct answer. Next, percentage, number 5. So let me erase this. I need to convert 92% into a fraction. So let me press 92 first. And I will show you guys. If you look for the percentage symbol, it's right here, above this parenthesis symbol right here. Again, it's in orange. Whichever key is in orange, you have to press the shift first, and then the percentage key. And after you press the shift, you can see that the little s lights up right here. Okay, so I can do it. I can press it. Okay, and then press this key. I get 92%. If you just press 92% and once you hit equal, ta-da! It gives you a fraction. It's always going to try to give you a fraction first. That reduced the simplest fraction. 92% is 23 over 25. Okay. Part B, I want a decimal, so I just need to press this, the S2D key, which is 0.92. And because if you want to change percentage to a decimal, you just need to move the decimal point twice to the left, right? So 92%, 92 is a whole number, move the decimal point once, twice, you get that. Okay, next, I should have to say compute. I need to compute 9.25% of 350. The word of, when you see the word of by itself, this means multiply. Okay? So, what we're going to do is, let me enter 9.25. And then the percent key right here, hit the shift and percent. Of means multiply, so you multiply. When you see the word of by itself, you multiply. Multiply by 350. Equal. Again, you will get a fraction first. But if you are dealing with percentage, usually we prefer decimal. So press S2D, we get 32.375. So this question is kind of like how do you calculate tax, right? 9.25%, the tax rate. If you buy like a computer for 350, then that's what you need to do. 9.25% of 350, and you multiply, you will get 32.375. Okay, and one more. We have division of fractions, one of the most difficult topic in fraction. Clear this. First fraction, hit the fraction key. I need 16, and to go down, I have 45, and then kick it to the side. I kick the line to the side by press the right button. I need to divide, right? I need to divide, and then I need another fraction. I need 12 on the top. Go down, I need 25. Okay, then you can just press equal because now we are done. This is exactly what we have on the paper. We are done. So hit the equal sign, and we get 20 over 27. This is going to be the reduced form already. Okay, so 16 over 45 divided by 12 over 25 is 20 over 27. 20 over 27. Pretty cool, huh? And you can just watch the next videos, and I have a lot more I want to share with you guys. Okay? If you have any questions, leave a comment, and don't forget to download the file and visit my website.